Shadow is crazy. Sorry about the no gameplay content. Sit. Oh well. Sorry about the no gameplay content. I'm trying to figure out what to do about the whole quality thing. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. This video was actually about that, so I'm still having trouble figuring out the whole gameplay situation. So if you guys have any suggestions on how to fix the situation where it's uploading in standard quality, if you guys know how to switch it to HD using the recorder that's built into the computer, then let me know. Thanks for watching.